Yes, I received a voicemail to call this number.
Did you receive the call on the same number you're calling from?
I think so, but I'm not sure because it's my cell phone and all of these numbers get routed through from my businesses.
Can you please help me out with your name?
Yeah, my name is Doowan.
Can you please spell that?
Yeah, it's DOO
DOO
WAN.
WAN, Doowan. And your last name, Doowan?
Ting.
Spell that.
TING.
Ting. Doowan, Ting, can you please help me out with your zip code?
Yes, it's. Oh, hang on one moment. I'm sorry. I've got it here on an envelope. I haven't been in this address for very long. It's 200
200.
22.
Okay, Doowan, thank you for helping me out with your name and your zip code. The reason behind my call was to take down your attorney's information because there is a lawsuit filed up against you inside the courthouse regarding tax fraud and tax evasion. So may I know, do you have a criminal attorney?
Well, no, I don't.
Okay, Doowan, do not worry. If you are not aware about this lawsuit, let me give you some information about this lawsuit so that you have some knowledge about the legal matter. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Now, I would first suggest you to grab a pen and a paper handy to note down your case ID number.
Okay, hold on one moment.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a handy pen and paper. Hello? Hello?
Note down your case ID number, Doowan.
Yeah, I'm here.
It is C as in Charlie, H as in hotel,
CH
76295.
CH76295.
Yeah.
Okay.
Doowan, the case ID right now that you have is in relation with the legal case that has been filed up against Internal Revenue Service. But do not worry, I will explain it to you what is it all about. Now, before I proceed with your case papers, I wanted to notify you about the lines which we are talking upon is being federally recorded and monitored by the IRS investigation officers and the jury members of the courthouse. So do not interrupt me in between.
The whole
and listen to me
jury
very
is listening
carefully.
to this call?
What did you say?
The whole jury. The jury is listening to this call.
Jury members of the courthouse, not the jury, but the jury members of the courthouse are listening to this call.
But the jury
Do not
members are
interrupt me
the
in between.
jury, are they not?
Jury members,
Jury
yeah,
members.
and the IRS investigation officers. So do not interrupt me in between and listen to me very carefully. Once I
Okay.
complete my part, I will give you fair enough chance to speak. And let me also notify you, if in case this line gets disconnected from your end or mine, there will be a non-bailable warrant issued under your name. Which means there will be a local police sheriff with an IRS investigation officer at your doorstep. And I hope you don't want that to happen.
No, well, of course not.
Yeah. So right now I am reading the affidavit to you, Doowan. Do not worry. And I would need your some information while I am reading the affidavit. Okay? So you have to listen to me very carefully.
Okay.
Affidavit states that there are 4 serious criminal allegations pressed against you inside the courthouse. The first one is violation of federal tax regulation. The second one is violation of Internal Revenue Code. The third one is theft by deception. And the last one is willful misrepresentation of information to the government. Now we have received a legal notice against your name for tax fraud, which means for the past few years, we had done an audit for the past few years, and we found out something unusual under your tax filing. We found out that the duration of the past few years, there was a miscalculation over your tax filing, and the amount is unpaid. Now it is claimed that the unpaid amount was miscalculated, and you owe that amount to the government right now. That is the reason this call is made to you. The IRS also found out that you are a regular taxpayer, Doowan, and depending on that, IRS also discovered that this was not a result of an innocent negligence, but it was a willful act done by you to defraud the government. Now, as you know, any crime against our country, any crime against IRS is any crime against our country, and any crime against country is not at all tolerable. So now, under this statement, which has been by the higher commissions, there are 4 serious criminal allegations under your name. These 4 criminal allegations are coming under Chapter 13 under Section 21A. So if I'm talking about tax evasion, Doowan, it means it's intentional conduct to defeat the income tax laws. And tax evasion is a felony and the most serious type of crime. The maximum prison is up to 5 years and the maximum fine is up to $95,000. So at this point of time, IRS have decided to forcefully recollect the amount from you by involving the Internal Revenue Code 6331H against you. This means IRS will take this matter into the courthouse by taking legal course of action under your name. And if you found guilty into the courthouse, you will end up paying a penalty charge of rupees $90,000. All your bank accounts, your house, your car, property will be seized. All your wages, benefits will be frozen. Your disability benefits, unemployment and child protection income and retirement pension future will be frozen. So as a tax investigation officer, I did my job to notify you about this lawsuit so that you cannot say to the judge that no one notified you about this lawsuit. Before you get arrested, and the person who is going to reap the rewards or pay the consequences is you. Now I would ask you a few questions. I hope you be honest with me. Doowan.
Yeah, I'm here.
Doowan, the first thing I would ask you is your date of birth.
It's the 27th
Yeah?
of July,
Okay.
1978.
78.
That's correct.
And your social security number, just to verify.
6654 is the last 4 digits.
Last 4 digits, yeah. And Doowan, your current mailing address.
It is 187
Okay.
Alexandria Avenue,
Alexandria Avenue.
and that is in Alexandria, Washington.
Alexandria, Washington. Doowan,
Yeah, I'm here.
I would ask you a few more questions. Can I know for the past few years, who was filing your taxes?
Just, some years I did it, but some years I had this accountant, but he
Alex, Doowan,
yeah.
do you pay your taxes regularly? Do you agree on this federally recorded line?
Well, I try, yeah, of course.
Alex, Doowan, there is a miscalculated amount that you owe to the government right now for the past few years. And if you don't want to get arrested and if you don't want to get into any such legal matter, right now I can help you. I can give you an option only if you want to.
Well, yeah, well, of course, I don't want to go. I mean, what will happen if I don't pay?
Right now, I don't know, maybe you will get or no. There is always a resolvement option outside the courthouse.
I will get, oh no?
Resolvement option outside the courthouse.
Okay, all right,
I need to have a word. Listen to me. I need to have a word with my restitution department. I'll ask them that this person, Doowan Ting, is trying to resolve this matter outside the courthouse. and is willing to come up with the amount that he owes to the government right now on this federally recorded line, because this line will be played inside the courthouse with you, saying that you resolved this matter outside the courthouse. That's why you got the no dues receipt and bail documents, all your bail documents. And it's up to you now, Doowan, whatever you wish to do. If you want to go ahead and fight the case inside the courthouse, surely you can go. But if you lose the case, I told you, if you found guilty inside the court, you have to pay a penalty charge of rupees $75,000.
Well,
so it's up to you
I don't want to do that.
Okay, so the amount which you owe to the government is $3,942. So can you come up with this amount right away on this federally recorded line?
Yeah, that's
then
no problem.
Alex, Doowan, can you come up with this amount on this federally recorded line so that I can go ahead and speak to the restitution department for your resolvement option?
That is no problem, sir, but you told me I would get an opportunity to ask some questions.
Yes, Doowan, you will get enough opportunity to ask all your questions once I transfer your call to the restitution department.
Okay, but there was some things when you were reading me the affidavit that I didn't understand.
Yeah. Okay, no worries. I will again explain the affidavit to you in short, but let me inform you.
Can I just, because there was you said something about a violation. I don't know what a violation is.
Allegation. I was talking about criminal allegations, nothing else.
And you said something that this is a legal immigrant country, and I didn't understand what that meant. I'm not an immigrant. I have an Asian surname, but that's from my great-great-grandpa.
Doowan, do not worry. I am here to help you out. I am your case investigation officer, so you have to deal with me.
And something about, and when you were talking as well, I wrote this all down, and you also said something about a child production income.
What? Sorry, I didn't hear that.
You said something about a child production income, like, do I have to pay every time I sleep with my wife?
I will read that to you once again.
No, you don't need to read it again because it was very long. I'm a little confused, but that's okay. You just put me through to the person to get this resolved. And I believe I need to go outside.
Doowan, listen to me. Listen to me. I'm sorry for my mistakes, but right now, the only thing will help you out is, do you have this amount with you right now? $3,942.
Yeah, I have it in cash, though. I mean, I don't have it in my bank account. I have it in cash. I keep a big pile of cash from my business.
Doowan, do not worry. I'm calling the restitution department and they will help you out. Do not worry.
Okay. So I need to speak to the sheriff now?
No, you don't have to speak to anyone right now. First you have to speak to the restitution head, then you can go ahead and speak to anyone you want to. Just wait a moment.
Okay, so after the restitution head, I speak to anyone I want?
You can't speak to anyone right now because I don't want you to disclose this matter to any third person. Let us get your warrant dissolved, then we can talk about this to anybody. Okay, just wait a moment.
Okay, but who is anybody?
Hello?
Hello?
Thank you for your patience.
Who am I speaking to now? This isn't the kind feller I was speaking to before, is it?
This is the Senior Chief Investigating Officer.
Oh, okay, sir. And what is your name, sir?
This is Adam Hurst.
Adam Hurst?
Yes.
Okay, Adam. So I'm not really sure. I'm a bit confused because your friend there, he read me a whole long speech and some things I didn't understand what he was saying. But so what's gonna happen now, Adam?
Okay, just give me a moment. Let me pull up your records first.
Okay. That's okay.
Okay, sir. Just before I go any further, I would like to inform you that the lines which we are on right now is federally monitored and recorded, and it is a three-way conference. So, as
Okay,
my
can I
fellow
say hello to the other
told you
person?
about-
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me properly now?
No, I can hear you. You said it was a three-way conference. I thought there was someone else on the line.
Yes, there is. This is a three-way conference with the IRS officers.
Hello, IRS officers. I'm sorry. I can't hear them.
Could you help me with your zip code?
Yeah, I can.
Could you help me with your zip code once again?
It's 200
Okay.
22.
I believe it is 22301.
No.
And could you help me with your date of birth?
Yeah, it's the 27th of July,
Okay.
1978.
And could you help me with your social security number, the last four digits?
Yeah, it's 6656.
6656.
That's right.
Okay, and your mailing address would be?
It would be 141 Alexandria Avenue,
Okay.
and that is in Alexandria, Washington. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Why did you disconnect the line?
I didn't disconnect the line. I believe the disconnection was on your end.
No, the line got disconnected from your end.
Well, I apologize. I have called back.
Okay. Right now, what is the amount that you have in your pockets, cash?
In my pockets?
Your cash. How much amount do you have in cash?
In
with you
cash?
right now?
In cash, I have maybe $12,000.
$12,000. Do you have a car?
Do I have a card?
Yes. Do you have a car with you?
A car or a card?
Both.
I have a bank card and I have a car, yeah. But
Okay. Then I would suggest you to sit in your car and reach to your nearest store. So I want you to go to your nearest Walmart store. How far is it?
wait, maybe 10 minutes?
Okay. Go ahead.
Go ahead and what?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes. So how long it will take you to reach to the store?
About 10 minutes. But why do I need to go to Walmart?
You need to go to the Walmart and buy some chips and a cold drink.
Okay. And why do I need
And
chips and a cold drink?
And you need to have it.
I need to eat the chips and drink the drink?
Yes, you need to have both of them.
Yeah?